Hey guys, John Vaporonic Technologies here today. Wanted to show off some CNC parts here that we've been doing some trial parts processing on, running through different abrasives, different combinations of abrasives, and trying to achieve a certain look. The bottom three plus this one are just raw stock right now, just freshly machined. And then we have these top three up here that have different finishes on them. I know it's hard to see with the glare and the light, but this is a glass bead finish, and then we have an aluminum oxide 120 finish, and then a mixture of AO and glass bead, which is primarily, we're seeing these two finishes in the CNC industry, specifically this combo, so a mix of AO and glass bead. That helps deburr plus provide a uniform finish at a much smoother rate than just strictly AO, which would be this part right here. This is a rougher part. But again, it depends on what your engineering requirements are, what your specifications are on your print. That's what we're getting a lot of feedback on from our customers. But again, what you can do is you can take the toolpath marks out of a CNC machined part. You can also do some slight light deburring. Oftentimes the deburring question comes up, how big of a burr can you remove? Well, it really depends on the material. This is aluminum 6061, so it's fairly soft. If I could pick it or flick it with my fingernail, then I would be able to deburr it in a wet blast system. But again, you can see the uniform finishes that you're going to achieve no matter what the abrasive is. So if you have a specific requirement or a question on a CNC machine part, we're always here for demo parts. We can do free trial parts processing for you at any given time and set you up with a process that works for you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, follow us on all the social media platforms, and as always, we're here to help, and thanks for watching.